Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Samsung Smart Tag. First, make sure your Samsung Galaxy phone is updated to the latest software version. Also, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Then, open the SmartThings app on your phone. This app is essential for managing all your Samsung SmartThings devices, including your new Smart Tag. We'll walk through the initial steps together. Once in the SmartThings app, you'll need to activate your Smart Tag. Gently press the button on the center of the Smart Tag until you hear a sound. Your phone should then automatically detect the new device nearby. A pop-up will appear in the SmartThings app prompting you to add it. Simply tap the Add Now button to proceed with the connection. It's a very straightforward process. After adding the tag, you'll be prompted to give your Smart Tag a name. This helps you identify it easily, especially if you have multiple tags. For example, you might name it Keys or Wallet. Next, select a location for the tag within the SmartThings app like Home or Office. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions to complete the setup. You're almost ready to go. Now that your Smart Tag is set up, finding your lost items is simple. Open the SmartThings app and select your Smart Tag from the device list. If your item is nearby, tap the ring button to make the tag play a sound, helping you pinpoint its exact location. For items further away, you can view its last known location on a map within the app. It's a powerful tool for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.